Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you have got Wi-Fi, the internet at home, and for some reason your internet was disconnected, and when you do get your router and the modem, there's normally a sticker on it at the back with the key, which is, you know, like loads of letters and numbers that you have to type in to get your Wi-Fi. If you've actually lost that and you've been connected before, what you can do is on the back of it there's a button called the WPS. If you click on that, it will connect you straight back up to, it's like the reset button. It'll either be the reset button or WPS. The instructions are here, so if you want to pause the video you can go over it yourself, but that's just a quick one for you. Just at the back, that button, you click that and it'll automatically click. Normally though, if you're registering something new, it might count down from like 60 and you have to press the button by them, but I'll leave the instructions on here so you can read it in your own time. Thank you. Please and like and subscribe to my video. Albert Einstein once said, to be a genius you just have to learn something new every day. I am planning to give you something new every day. Most of the time you might not know, but sometimes you might, and I'll be a reminder. So if you want to help yourself and help me by helping you, please subscribe. If you want to support the channel, PayPal below. That's it for today folks. You all take care. Catch you on the rebound. Bye.